Hi folks, welcome back. One more visit with ASU-Beebe. This time we're on the main campus in Beebe. I want to introduce you to Kendall Casey. He is the director of the Career Education Center here and a CAD instructor. Thanks for having us out.
Thank you for coming.
Tell folks what it means when we say the word CAD.
So CAD's an acronym for Computer-Aided Drafting and Design, which means now we're using computers to do the work that was once done with pencils and pen.
Right, and it's been that way for quite a while now. You've been at this for a long time.
Yeah, I've been teaching here in this program for the last 20 years, and CAD really became mainstream in the 80s, 1980s.
Yeah, and so the students who come here and take a part in this program, they're able to go on and do what?
So our graduates work alongside of engineers and architects in the principal fields of mechanical, which is the parts and pieces and machines and products that you buy off the shelf, mechanical design, and also civil design, which are the earthwork projects, the bridges, the roadways, and structural projects, which is the skeletal systems of commercial buildings and things of that nature, or the architectural field.
What I love about this, and we can take a look at some of the stuff that's behind us here, and you're going to have students in here in just a little bit who are going to go to work, but is that, yes, there are a lot of technical skills that you need, but also you can let your imagination kind of run wild with you too in this kind of thing, can't you?
You really can. It is really creative, and the new technologies in manufacturing, such as 3D printing and stuff, has really remove the constraints of traditional manufacturing processes. So your designs can be more creative, but we still have to abide by the fundamental rules and
physics and everything else
of the philosophies and the techniques that are historically known across the globe.
The demand for students who are coming out of here continues to be great.
So we've had really good career placement for our graduates for the last several years. Haven't seen quite the number this spring that we typically have, but I think it's going to be good, and I think those companies are really seeking candidates with this type of skills.
When you see students come through this program, what kind of students succeed in this kind of program? Do they come from a background is math a plus, or tell me, or is it even necessary?
Yeah, so math skills are nice, and if somebody with the ideal of enjoying the design process and has really strong math skills, I would really like to see those lean toward engineering programs. But the students that do well in this program are those that like to do work with their hands. They like the idea of being involved in the design process, but they really aren't crazy about Calculus 3 and University Physics 2. Right. So maybe their math skills aren't as strong. They can find success in this career field.
There's still a place for them here. You mentioned you've been doing this for 25 years. I imagine your education has to continue as well to keep up with what the demands are in the field.
Yeah, so we teach a wide variety of software applications that are updating annually each year. So my early springs and late summers are spent understanding what new technologies have been developed within these systems.
If a student comes into the program, generally how long does it take them to get certified or a degree?
So the program is designed to be an Associate of Applied Science degree, which is 4 academic semesters starting fall, so 2 academic years.
So Kendall, we're taking a look at some of these, I guess they're 3D printers. Here the yellow and black machines we're seeing behind us.
Yeah, those are FDM 3D printers, recreational or hobby grade, low cost to operate.
Yeah.
And then we have next door to that, the refrigerator-looking device is a commercial-grade FDM printer with soluble supports, which allows us to do a lot more complex designs that can integrate motion and clearances between parts that allow some mechanical movement. And then in the far corner there, the little orange device is also a 3D printer with a different technology, a stereolithography SLA device.
Okay. Having this kind of diverse and high-end technology on campus has got to be something that sets you apart from some of the other people that are teaching this kind of stuff.
Yeah, I think there's probably a lot of institutions that have some 3D printers, but the commercial-grade 3D printers are really a game changer that might separate what we're doing here from everyone else. We have 3 of those large soluble support 3D printers on this campus.
And potential employers are looking for students who know how to use these devices, right?
Absolutely, and we work with local industries to help them with their prototyping needs too, but yes.
Yeah, and I know you take a lot of pride in that your students are able to go out and be very productive right out of the gate.
Right, yes, it's really exciting to hear back from those employers. primarily through our advisory committee members. They help guide our curriculum, and I think that's one of the strengths of the program, is that we have a very experienced group of individuals in the industry that help us make decisions on program level outcomes and align our strategic plan of the university with all of our course level objectives.
Kendall, I know you would absolutely love anybody who's interested in taking part in this program to come take a look for themselves.
Absolutely. I'd welcome you to first of all, maybe fill out the free online application and select CAD as your program of choice. Drop by and see me. I'm here almost all the time throughout the summer and everything. Or you can find my contact information on our website under the CAD program in the Career Education Division.
Just go to that ASU-Beebe website. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate it, and good luck to you and all your students here. We have really enjoyed our campus, taking a lap around the ASU-Beebe campuses in Central Arkansas. We'll be back with more Good Morning Arkansas right after this. Don't go away.